Top 6 inflammatory foods to avoid for arthritis. Hi everyone, thank you for joining us. Today, we will be exploring the 6 bad foods for arthritis. Also, we will underline the cause of joint pain or inflammation in your joints. Most importantly, we will provide a few solutions to combat this threat. Joint pain or arthritis is a medical condition caused by joint inflammation, stiffness, low motion, and swelling. It is important to mention that there are over 100 known types of arthritis. However, only 2 are widely found: rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. While rheumatoid arthritis is characterized by an autoimmune response that triggers joint pain, osteoarthritis occurs when cartilage deteriorates with time due to common injuries, wear, and even tear. Other types of this unwanted disease include gout, which is caused by the accumulation of uric acid within the joints, usually the toes; psoriatic arthritis, which is an autoimmune disease that affects people with psoriatic skin condition, red dot or red patches on the skin; fibromyalgia, which is characterized by a heavy muscle pain, more fatigue and tenderness around your joints. Each arthritis has its own symptoms and its associated risk factors. However, these types of arthritis share the same thread: the inflammation that causes their development. Let's kick off our video with this first food that worsens arthritis. Number 1 is vegetable oils and trans fats, also called refined seed oils. Vegetable oils are in the top list of foods that aggravate arthritis and inflammation. Oils like corn oils, safflower oils, soybean oils, and sunflower oils are more used in household and common restaurant. Vegetable oils are very difficult to avoid because they are packed in processed foods such as hot dogs, potatoes, chips, bread, and many other fries. The reason vegetable oils are detrimental is the fact that they are rich in omega-6 fatty acid. Remember that omega-6 fatty acid is known for the oxidation process when it is exposed to heat. Oxidation here is simply the fact that oil is damaged by chemical reactions and turns rancid. Then the bad oil causes inflammation in our body, especially in our joints and blood vessels. What leads to chronic pain and disease? It is important to mention that artificial trans fat, also known as partially hydrogenated oil, are worse. Common sources of trans fat include microwave popcorn, fried foods, margarine, and more. We highly recommend replacing your vegetable oils with healthy ones like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, grass-fed butter, and macadamia oil. Next on our list is soda and sugar. Soda has been found to due to aggravating osteoarthritis. The fact that it is high in refined sugar. After you consume soda, it leads to a rapid increase in insulin level and therefore your blood sugar levels. The consequence is that your body will experience more inflammation. Furthermore, many sweetened beverages that are high in fructose corn syrup contribute to a significant number of empty calories. As you know, empty calories are helpful in weight gain, and weight gain aggravates joint pain symptoms. To combat inflammation, we highly recommend replacing sweetened beverages with water, unsweetened tea, or natural juices made with bananas, berries, apple, mangoes, pineapple, and so on. By making these simple changes, you will reduce your refined sugar consumption and boost your body with those healthier alternatives. Before we continue this video, please take a second to support our channel by liking the video. Subscribe to our channel if you're a new viewer, and don't forget to turn on the notification icon to never miss our videos. Moving on to number 3, we have refined carbohydrates. After consuming a large quantity of cookies, donuts, or pizza, you might experience an increase in joint pain. Here is the reason. These foods are high in refined carbohydrates, which are transformed into sugar, what increase your insulin level. The consequence is that your body is widely affected by inflammations, exactly like what happens after you consume soda. So, to reduce inflammation, we recommend that you replace those foods I've mentioned earlier with healthier alternatives such as sweet potatoes and unsweetened whole grain bread. However, completely stopping gluten consumption may be beneficial. Remember, gluten consumption can lead to unwanted inflammation in some people. Number 4 is gluten. If you have celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, then the consumption of gluten can trigger an innate and immune response that may trigger arthritis, inflammation, or joint pain. In my readings, I found an article in the Oxford Journal of Rheumatology warning that 41% of patients with rheumatoid arthritis see their case being improved while they follow a gluten-free diet plan. If you think you might have gluten intolerance, we highly recommend that you considerably reduce or even eliminate gluten foods in your diet for 2 to 3 weeks. During this time, carefully pay attention to your joint pain to see if there is any improvement. Then, after the pain elimination test, reintroduce gluten again in small quantities in your diet and monitor your body's response. Foods like rye, wheat, and barley are gluten-rich foods. By observing your body's reactions, you should be able to notice whether your gluten intake plays a role in aggravating your arthritis inflammation. The number 5 on today's list is nightshade vegetables. This is another food to avoid when it comes to fighting arthritis. People with rheumatoid arthritis and other forms such as gout may find it helpful to completely remove nightshade vegetables from their diet. Nightshade vegetables to avoid include tomatoes, eggplant, peppers, and potatoes. They contain alkaloid that has the potential solanine, which is very toxic for your liver's health. For example, any potatoes that have turned to green will most likely lead to solanine toxicity. The particularity of alkaline is that it has the potential to accumulate calcium deposits in ligaments, tendons, joints, and cartilage. This accumulation can be a source of inflammation and other pains. Moving on to number 6, we have char-broiled and blackened foods. If you are someone experiencing arthritis, it is recommended to eliminate high-temperature cooking methods such as broiling, grilling, and frying. These cooking methods lead to advanced glycation end products that can complicate inflammation and even worsen joint pain. Therefore, we highly recommend that you reduce or eliminate foods like grilled meats or barbecue and fried potatoes to minimize the intake of these unwanted compounds. Moving forward, we would like to highlight the root cause of arthritis, which lies in proteolytic enzymes. Proteolytic enzymes contain anti-inflammatory properties and are essential in pain elimination. These enzymes, called proteases, are a kind of systemic enzyme that break down proteins into smaller nutrients that are easy to digest and utilize by our body. Proteolytic enzyme main function consists of breaking down the excess fibrin present in our circulatory system and tissues such as muscles. Working that way, these enzymes help kill scar tissue and eliminate fibrin. This is then helpful for improving oxygenation and nutrient-rich blood circulation to the tissues. This whole process aids to eliminate the metabolic waste that is a major cause of joint pain and inflammation. While your pancreas secretes proteolytic enzymes naturally, it is important to note that the production decreases significantly after you turn 27 years. Therefore, we highly recommend that you obtain them from dietary supplements or healthy sources. Papaya and pineapple are our two recommended sources of proteolytic enzymes. Papain in papaya and bromelain from pineapple have been found to be a great solution in reducing swelling, pain, and joint stiffness in people with arthritis. Additionally, other proteolytic enzymes-rich foods include ginger, figs, kiwi fruit, asparagus, and fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut. It is important to mention that proteolytic enzymes serve other significant functions such as regulating blood pressure, boosting your immune system, expediting wound healing, and killing viruses. This takes our video to the end. So if you're looking to solve your arthritis pain issues, it's worth considering the inclusion of pineapple and papaya in your diet. However, we recommend not relying only on foods, as this might not raise your enzyme level and alleviate your pain. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information valuable, please press the like button. We kindly ask you to subscribe to the channel and share it with your loved ones. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Remember, your health is your greatest asset. Feel free to check this playlist for another video just like this. Until next time, stay safe.